Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today I'm going to be sharing a super quick and easy cheesecake recipe which takes only 2 minutes to get ready in the microwave. It's very rich, creamy and super delicious. I get many requests for eggless cheesecake recipe, so this one doesn't require eggs or cream cheese and it's refined sugar free as well. So if you are a fan of healthy or healthy-ish desserts, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll add around 2 tablespoons broken cashews into a small bowl. Add in some hot water. Cashews make the cheesecake more rich and creamier. Now we'll let them soak for around 10 to 15 minutes. Till the cashews are soaking, we'll prepare oat flour for the crust. Add some oats to a blender and grind them well to make a fine powder. The oat flour is ready. Now we'll take 1/3 cup oat flour into a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 tablespoon melted butter. For the sweetness, we are adding 2 teaspoons honey. Using a spoon, give it a good mix. Now we'll add around a tablespoon of water and continue mixing till everything is nicely combined. We'll transfer this crust mixture to a parchment paper lined microwave safe bowl. And we'll press this mixture evenly into the bowl. Keep this bowl aside and let's make the cheesecake filling. We'll add in the soaked cashews into a blender, half cup thick yogurt, two tablespoons cane sugar or any other sweetener of your choice, half teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon oat flour, which works as a binder in this recipe. Now we'll give it a nice blend to make a smooth and creamy cheesecake filling. The filling is ready. Pour this filling over the crust. And microwave for 1.5 minutes at 30 seconds intervals. My microwave is 800 watts, so it might take a little less or more time depending on your microwave settings. Our cheesecake is perfectly cooked. It has some bubbles on top and slight jiggle in the middle. Allow it to cool for some time and then keep it in the fridge to set for an hour. And now let's make a quick and easy strawberry sauce for the topping. Add some chopped strawberries to a low to medium heated pan. Add a splash of water and let them cook for around 8 to 10 minutes or till the sauce thickens. Keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the pan. The sauce is ready. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. The cheesecake is ready as well. Remove the parchment paper and let's top it up with some strawberry sauce. I'm also adding some blueberries and mint leaves. And this easy peasy microwave cheesecake is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to make a healthy cheesecake, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.